Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some mini breakfast crepes, and for that we need bread, bacon, cheese, milk and 1 egg. For the beginning we need to take the bread and cut down the endings of it. Choose the one that you see, the bread that you see in the video. After cutting down the endings, let's make sure that the bread is as flat as possible. And after that, let's add 1 bacon, a slice of it, cheese, we have chosen cheddar, and let's roll it. Make sure you're working on it during the rolling process so that all of the endings are together. And now it's time for breaking the egg. Adding to it some milk, half cup of the milk will be enough, not all of it. Mix this properly together and let's add to it half teaspoon of salt, a little bit of red pepper and black pepper. Mix this as well and put the bread into this mixture. After, turn on the gas, put some olive oil into the pan and let's cook it. Make sure that both sides of it are properly cooked. And whenever done, you'll be ready to taste it.